Hello guys, tanghalian na naman guys. Kain tayo nito guys, oh. Ganito lang ako pag gusto kumain ng ginataan guys. Kamuti, saging, malagkit lang guys. Sapat na, oh. Isang pressure cooker yan guys. Ayan, ako lang kakain yan. Ilang araw din yan aabutin, oh. Tapos titikim tayo nito guys ng pork guys. Ayan, grilled pork guys. Kahit once a year lang, makatikim man lang nito. Ayan, medya-medya lang guys. Ayan guys. Okay guys, tanghalian na. Let's eat na, let's eat. Let's eat. Oh, ang lapot nito, oh. Sarap. Ganito lang, simple lang. Tapos, yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, bye-bye.